camera keeps going in single. So Jude and I are working on extracting broken bolt in the rear subframe for the rear differential. So what I'm hoping is the Loctite was so strong. What's your thoughts?
I don't fucking know. The old diff was pretty rusty. I wouldn't be, and sandy. I wouldn't be surprised if it was underwater at one point.
Like everything else we work on around here is probably underwater, right?
Yep.
So now we're going to weld the bolt to that molten slag and hope it comes right out. And don't weld without a mask. You think it's going to come right out?
Hopefully.
All right, you do the honors.
What size is that bolt?
I'm thinking 15 or 16. I just grabbed some crap that we had laying around. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Happy, happy, joy, joy. And Jude was like, I'm going to fill the diff off the ground. And he grabs the pump and he starts pumping. And I'm like, Judester, what are you doing?
Yeah, because I didn't
You're going to fill it off the ground.
I didn't want to
you
make
put it
a
in the funnel.
mess, and then you fucking made a mess.
And do you have a pen in your pocket by any chance?
Like a pen, like a weed pen? Or
No. Like write something down.
I can get you a marker.
Rachel was asking if you stole her pen.
Any excuse for her not to do anything. Look at that, baby. That's the trick right there. Uh-huh.